Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your doorbell if it has stopped working. First, you have to check that the box is working by pressing the left button here. If the light flashes like this, it means the battery is working. When you press this part of the doorbell, a red light should appear. As you can see here, there is no light appearing. This means the battery is flat. I will show you how to change the battery in this video. You will need a flat head screwdriver to remove the top case. It should just pop out like this. You will now need a crosshead screwdriver to remove the screw here. Once you have removed the cap, you will see the old battery. This needs removing. And replacing with the new battery by pushing it into place. Before putting it all back together, test that it is all working. The red light will appear when pressed to confirm that it is working. Now you can put everything back together. And that is all finished. Thank you for watching.